We already have it in this form. Excellent. We already have a lead coming from our company's website and right on this platform. Excellent. Now, we want a situation whereby whenever somebody sent email from the company website, there must be a kind of auto response message that the person will receive to really acknowledge that, okay, guy, Sam, you're welcome. We're happy to have you. We thank you for showing interest in patronizing our business. A kind of message like that must be sent to that lead immediately. That is what will take us to what we refer to auto response rule. The auto response rule is a kind of a message that will be sent to our customer or our potential lead coming from our company's website. Let's now go dive in and try to go to setup now and create and configure what we refer to auto configures this thing. Response rule. Now, auto response. Auto response. Hope is making sense, please. Lead auto response rules now. We want a situation that when any form of lead coming from our company website like that, whenever it's dropping at our company platform, which is this our free develop org that Salesforce give us, then auto response message should be sent to that particular lead based on the email address that the lead has provided. Then I can create a new auto lead now. But before I go into create it, I want to tell you something. I'm going to lead new web to lead auto response. Yeah, new web to lead auto response. Now I want to do in such a way web to lead auto response. Web to lead auto response. Rule name. Web to lead auto response. So I name it web to lead auto response. Then let me make it active. Then I'm going to do something. Let me save now. Okay, when I save like this, I can go back and say I want to enter entry into it. You can see now, I want to show us something. Email template. We don't have email template. I want us to create one before we set this up so that it will be available for us to pick. I'm coming back. I will be back to this. Just excuse me for a second. Let's just go back to say email template. We're going to need it. Why I know that I'm going to need it is here. I need to pick an email template, and I don't have already customized one for this purpose. I want to create one for this purpose. Let me now go there. Go back and create auto response. Email. The email template is available in Classic. Let me put template. Yeah, it's available. It's not available in Lightning email, or it's not available. It's available in Classic. So if you click this one now, there's nothing to do here. They've not made it available yet. So just go back and click on the Classic. Do the Classic. Then let me create a new template now. Are we using HTML? Are we using this? For now, let's use test. Then let me click next. Please respond now. Time is going. Okay. Now, I'm going to do this one for lead. Then what is the contact field? Is going to be the lead. It's a lead field. Now, this is going to match. I want to say dear first name of that person. You can see now. Then I'm going to copy this, just like what I was saying on that was that particular modus that Bratayo was showing me the other time. Now I'm going to need it. That's why I copy it. Then I'm going to call this one email template name auto response template auto response response time. Okay. Then description. Don't let's forget about that. Welcome. Yeah, welcome to our Fit Digital Academy. Let me put it like that. That's a welcome message that will be sent to that lead that is coming from our website automatically. Now, I want you to copy the name of that. I will say dear what now? Then I paste this. That is the lead first name of that cost of that person from the company, from the website. That's why I put that one there. Give another space. Do we get what I'm trying to drive at, please? Are we together? Then last name. I copy the last name now. Their first name. That means if let's say I'm Isaac Olaoshibikon, it will now say, and I'm entering my name right at the company website. Because of this code that we have here is a global this thing. It's going to help us to match. That's the work it's doing here. We're using it to merge the fields like this one. This formula will help us to copy the merge field value, and that's why we need to copy it as a kind of code here. But it's available up here. You say dear, let's say my name is Isaac. Now you will now say dear Isaac, their last name Olaoshibikon, dear Isaac Olaoshibikon. Yeah, you are welcome. Okay, let's say now I can say, okay, I can just write my name. Let's say Isaac Ola. Then I will enter. I will enter my, let's say, company name now. Field Digital Academy. Now, so everything is set now. I can save it. Available for use. Yeah. If I don't click that available for use, it won't be available at the front end. This simply means it's going to code the name of our end users now and say, give us this thing. Then let me save. Let me save. Now I can go back. Now that I have my email template available, I can go back to the front end and try to see how I'm going to create the auto response. Auto response. Lead auto response. So the lead auto response I was trying to create now, let me go and finish the job by giving it the role entries. Let me do the sort by one. Then I say criteria met. So I can use formula or this thing. But for now, I want to use criteria. Then I say annual revenue is greater than or equal to 500,000. If any annual revenue is equal to or greater than 500,000, then auto response should be sent to that particular lead immediately. Then I say, what is the name? Specify the name and address to include in the auto response message from specify the name and address to include in the auto response message from online. So I can say, let me include my name, email address. Let me use my email address. Then email templates now. Can you see now? I will go back to the front end where, I just created this auto response template. I now pick it, then make it available. Now, what it means is that a message will be sent to these our end users whenever it enters the information matches this criteria. An auto response message will be sent to that our end users at the end of the day to get the message. That's why we'll set this up now. If end users is trying to a lead is trying to enter information that is within or up to annual revenue that is up to 500,000, automatically is going to be possible. Then I will say I will need to save this record. Now that I've saved this record, let me go back now to this. So if I enter, let's say Russell James, then Russell James at gmail.com. What is company? Let's say Russell LLC. What is the city? Russell City. Then let me just say RC. Annual revenue now, let's say 600,000. No, let me use my email address here so that I can get the message. Say my email address. Then I click submit. Now, if I go to the platform now and refresh, I should have the info. You can see now, Jack Russell is available. Then, yeah. Yes. Russell James is available here now.
Alright, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.